Today we will set up Minikube. It's like a non-production cluster. It is for practicing purpose only. Let me start one Ubuntu machine quickly. Launch Ubuntu instance. Minikube. We will set up Minikube setup on Ubuntu machine, right? Ubuntu 22.04 and instance type I want 2 CPUs and 4 GB RAM, that is T2.medium, right? T2.medium, this one 2 CPU 4 GB RAM I require. Clicking this one T2.medium, and I already have key pair. Its name is Ubuntu. Okay, launch instance. Minikube is like a non-production cluster for practicing purpose. I'm creating this one, and we will create it. Refresh it. Refresh it. It started running. So copy the public IP, mobile external sessions SSH, paste the IP, Ubuntu, SSH settings, use private key is Ubuntu ubuntu.pem. Okay, and accept. Okay, let's go to the document once. Document steps. So installing Minikube on Ubuntu 22.04. These are the steps. Okay, copy this one. Sudo apt-get update, guys. Sudo apt-get update -y. Enter. Let's update the latest packages using sudo update. It's done. Next, we need to install Docker and copy this. I already have, I think. Let me copy this in here. Copy this URL for installing Docker. Docker is required. Go to browser, Chrome. Yeah, I already pasted here already. Once again I'm pasting. Okay, and check here. First we need to set up the repository. For that we need to execute these commands. I already execute this command, and this command we need to execute. And go to mobile external, enter. Okay, we are setting up the repository right now. Okay, next, add Docker official GPG key. Let me copy one by one and let me install. Copy, or else let me copy from here. Right. Copy this, enter. Not took properly, I think. Let me install one by one. Okay, copy this one, add Docker official GPG key, enter, and next copy the second one. Okay. And go to the last. Okay, copy this one, complete line, paste and enter. Next copy the third line, giving some permission for that. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, next use the following command to set up the repository. Let's execute this following command and copy from here, paste it, enter. Next, scroll down, update the apt package index. Let's run this once again. Now let's update the package index using this command. Okay, next, now install Docker engine. So the commands are this one, copy this one, copy and paste, enter, Y. Okay, okay, done. Next is like we need to verify the Docker engine. Verify Docker engine installation successful by using the below command. We need to execute this command to check whether the Docker is running or not. Yes, hello from Docker, like this it came, means it's working. Okay, next let me check the version. Docker -v, Docker version is showing 24.0.5. Okay, next we have done setup we have installed the Docker right now from the official website, and we did the Docker installation. Next again we go to the document, install Minikube here. See, so 2 CPUs and 4 GB RAM is required. No? I already wrote about, but this one, ignore this one. So t2.medium also. Let me cut this one and paste over here. Okay, prerequisites. No? Okay, next. Okay, we have finished it till this step. We have installed Docker. Next we have to install Minikube. For that, commands are these commands, and this is the command I already taken. Copy and go to mobile external, paste, enter. Paste. We will add the Ubuntu user to the Docker group. That is the command. Enter. Next, start the Minikube. Command is Minikube start. That's it. You will get one error, guys. Here, permission denied. If you get permission denied, this error, connect and this one, then you need to copy this one, where run socket, copy that one till here, and give chmod, give some 777 full permission, enter. Oh, sorry, give sudo before executing the command. Now you have to give the sudo. Now okay, now you give Minikube start, Minikube start. Now Minikube is getting started. See, it's starting. Minikube is starting right now. Starting control plane node Minikube in cluster Minikube. Minikube version, Minikube on Ubuntu. Okay, it's taking some time for starting the Minikube. It is a non-production cluster for practicing purpose only. You can install this one on your machine. If you have a Linux machine, there means you can install the Minikube on that. On your local also you can install, and for practicing on your local machine also. But right now I am installing it on AWS EC2 instance. Okay. Okay, done. Let me go to the document once. So Minikube is started. Next, let me give this command, cluster info, sudo snap install kubectl. We need to install, it is asking to install sudo snap install kubectl. It is asking to install this command. Kubectl is required, so we need to install the kubectl before that. Sudo snap ctl. What happened? Repeat the command including -- classic. I think I already have that one. Copy this one. I am installing right now kubectl. Enter. It's installing kubectl right now. Kubectl is installed. See here, installed. Version also showing 1.28.0. After that you can use kubectl cluster info. It will tell the cluster information. It is asking kubectl cluster for dump. Let me execute the command once again. Okay. Next, kubectl get nodes. It will tell you how many nodes are created, worker nodes. This is a Minikube, so it is a single node. That is only one control plane only we have, because Minikube, it is a non-production cluster on the single node. That is a control plane got created. So no worker nodes, only a control plane only acts like worker node here. Okay. Next, we will create one pod, guys. See here, API we have API version. It will tell you v1. Kind means we are creating the pod object. Kind will tell you which type of object you are creating. If it is pod means it will tell pod. If I mention it is service means service will be created. If it is deployment means I have to mention deployment here. So kind will tell which type of object we are creating. Metadata means data about data. Name, it will tell the what is the pod name. Pod name is Java Web App pod. Okay. Labels are useful. It will map to this application. This labels are required in pod, so it will be useful in the services section. Like we can easily identify the pod actually. So there is a some relationship is there between this pod and this service. So using these labels only, it can identify the pod actually. So we can learn this concept later while using the services. So as of now, you take labels means app application. This is the Java web app application is running. Okay, spec it will give all the container details. What is the container name? This is the container name. The image we are using is this one. Okay, Java web application we are using, and ports we are using, and container port is 8080. Container is running on the port 8080, like that. Okay, and the hyphen here is the starting, and last we will end with the dot dot. Copy this one completely and go to our external, create one file, manifest file, pod hyphen, give some name, pod hyphen manifest file dot YAML. Okay, YAML also you can give YAML. Okay, enter, insert mode, paste that manifest pod. We will save and copy, exit, WQ. Okay, right now we created the pod. Sorry, right now we created the manifest file, and we need to execute one command, kubectl apply -f. We have to give the file name, manifest file name. Okay, and then it will create the pod. See, right now pod is created. For checking whether pod is created or not, we need to use the command kubectl get pods. If you tell get pods means it will tell in the system how many pods are created. It will show you. But right now we created only one pod now, so it will show you. This is the pod name. We have taken the pod name here. Now we can see this is the pod name. Okay, this is the pod name. And right now it's ready means it's running. Only one pod only we created. That one pod is running. This one means total number of pods. Out of total number of pods, one is running. Okay, this is status is running. Okay, it created 17 seconds ago. Okay, like this we can create the pod. And also if you want to see the details of the pod, you can use the command kubectl describe pods and pod name. This is the pod name, right? Enter. See here, when you want to see complete what is the information of the pod, and see here, let me go to top, scroll down. See here, this is the name of the pod. The namespace is default namespace, and node it is Minikube. It's showing like this, Minikube it is. And let me go there, instance. See here, I think it's showing the, okay, let this, okay, this is the Minikube. Okay, the node it is Minikube, and labels is application is Java web app. Okay, next status it is running. This IP is of pod IP. See here, this is the pod IP. And after that, what is starting? Container section is starting, and the container name is, here you can see this is the container name. What is the container name? Java web app container. See, if you go to our manifest file, this is the container name. Earlier I showed you this is the pod name. This is the container name. Okay, container ID. This one is the container ID, and image we have given this one. Okay, this is the complete image. Like that we can see that this image is state is running. Okay, sometimes you will get errors. No, we can debug like this. Sometimes that container will not run, then it will show you some error here, like exited something error will come. Okay, now the state is running, container state is running. That means that application is running in the container. Okay, and go little down, anything. After this, see here, it will show you here. See here, default scheduler successfully assigned to Minikube. Okay, then what happened after that? Scheduled. Here reason is scheduled. Next, what it's doing? Pulling what? Pulling image. This image it's pulling. Which, who is pulling the image? Kubelet. Kubelet will pull the image, okay, from the Docker. This image is available in the Docker hub, so Kubelet will go and pull this image, okay. After it got pulled by the Kubelet, successfully pulled image, okay. Next, what happened next? Created. What is created? Created container. This container is created. After creating a container, what happened? Container started. Kubelet started the container. So completely we can see the information whenever we are debugging the application. This command is very much useful. Kubectl will describe which one. I am showing a up arrow once again. The command is kubectl, not this one, once again. This one, kubectl describe pod and pod name. This is the pod name, okay. This is useful when we are debugging the applications. Enter. Okay. Next, go to the document. After that, see this command is there now. This command is useful to find out on which node it's running, on which node my pod is running, on which node my pod is running. How to check it? kubectl get pod -o wide. It will tell you my Java web application pod is running on Minikube, okay. But in the production cluster, it will show you on which node it's running. It will give you the IP also, so-and-so IP. That means so-and-so worker node it's running. That IP details also it will show here, okay. That is the useful for this command. See, pod running on which worker node, it will tell you, okay. Right now we have Minikube now, only one machine, so that machine is running that is the Minikube here we installed, so it's showing the Minikube, it's running on the Minikube it's telling, okay. Next, how to find the logs. If any issue occurs now, to find the logs, you have command like kubectl get pods. This is the pod name. So if you give kubectl logs, I think kubectl logs and pod name. If you give this one, it will show the log. See, like this. This is the log. Like this we can use the command. And one more command. Suppose I want to delete this pod. I want to delete the pod which I created. kubectl get pods. First you go get pods, okay. Suppose here I have some 3, 5 or 6 pods are running. You just think like that. I want to delete this particular pod. kubectl delete pod and pod name, okay. If I get only specific pod only, we can delete. Other pods will be running, okay. Enter. Okay, done. Now kubectl check how many pods are running. Kubectl get pods, because we deleted the pod now, so right now no pods are running, okay. And once again I will execute that pod once again. This one I am executing the manifest file once again, so that pod will be created. See, again pod created. kubectl get pods, enter. See, right now pod created. Okay, like this pod will be created. I will create one more pod using the command line, not using the manifest. Kubectl run nginx hyphen image is equal to nginx. Enter. Now nginx pod got created. See how many pods are running. Once again, kubectl, the command is for checking how many pods are running. Kubectl get pods. See right now how many pods are running? 2 pods. One is Java web application pod, other one is nginx pod. Like this we can run any number of pods. Okay, and also you can check the, let me delete the pods. Kubectl delete all hyphen all, I think one command is there to delete all the resources in the cluster. See, first it deleted this pod, and after that this deleted the nginx pod. Service kubernetes it deleted. Let me check what happened. Kubectl get pods, no pods. Okay, kubectl get nodes. That means only right now my cluster is only running Minikube cluster. All the resources I deleted using the kubectl delete all hyphen all. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We will see next video in future. Thanks for watching.